Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was just sitting in my living room having a coffee and realizing it's October. I'm not really sure what happened and how we got to October, but it's October and there's not a single pumpkin in my living room. There's not a single pumpkin to be found anywhere around my house. And for me, that's unusual because I have a lot of pumpkins because I have a bit of a pumpkin obsession. But part of the thing that holds me back when I'm ready to switch my decor out for seasonal is when my house is messy, I just feel like I can't. I feel like I have things I need to do and I can't do the fun things until I've done the things that need to get done. It's this weird thing that goes on in my head. I will put off doing what I want to do for months because there's this mental to-do list in my head that tells me I can't do those fun things until I'm done these things. So what I've decided is for the next week, I'm going to go through and deep clean different rooms of my house so that I can get it to a place where I feel like I can decorate. And then I can take you guys and show you what I do this year for fall. So I figured today we'd start easy because I'm kind of tired and it feels like a Monday, but it's Tuesday. And I thought I would start with deep cleaning my living room. Doesn't sound like a difficult room. So we're gonna do that now. All right, so the first thing that I'm gonna get done is this laundry out of the way. I don't know about you guys, but I really am not a lover of laundry. I mean, some people think that folding is therapeutic. I think that about a lot of things in cleaning, but not folding laundry. I hate folding it. Even more so, I hate putting it away, which is why you often see me just stacking laundry and like getting it right side out, because I don't actually fold my clothes and put them in a dresser. I hang everything up because I hate folding and putting away laundry. I don't mind folding towels and sheets, but clothes? Yeah, no. So the only thing that really gets folded in our house is pajamas. Everything else gets hung up in a closet. And the kids hang up their own laundry, so I just get it into manageable stacks, and then they come home, put it on hangers, and hang it up themselves. Now I'm just gonna get the dusting out of the way. I'm not a big fan of dusting, but you know. Now I figured while I was dusting the mantle that I would just try to play with the placement of some of the items that I have on there, because it's just kind of, it's been like that for a while. Normally I switch out my decor for spring, summer, fall, and winter, and I just didn't do that this year. 2020 was just not my year for decorating. So I've just kind of left it as like, you know, everyday decor. And so I figured I would just kind of like, you know, switch up where things were, just kind of make it look new and fresh. I I literally just put things where I feel like, back up, look at it. If I don't like it, I change it, and I just keep doing that until I like the way it looks. Now, we don't actually use this fireplace. We've never used it in the 4 years that we've lived here. So I don't actually need to have it, as a focal point. So I've just been kind of trying to find ways to camouflage it. One of these days I might actually paint that brass black just so that it blends in a little bit better. Just haven't gotten around to doing that yet. And now I'm going to vacuum out these couches. It's been embarrassingly long since the last time that I vacuumed them. I think my husband vacuumed them after Christmas. It's Thanksgiving, guys. For how long it's been though, they actually weren't that bad. Like crumbs and dust and, those kinds of things. But I wasn't like super surprised by anything inside the couches, and that was rather nice. Oh, I did find a couple of drawings in there too. And I think in one of them I found a pair of scissors and a pen. And a penny, which was funny because we haven't had pennies in years. I don't remember when they discontinued the penny in Canada, but long enough that there shouldn't have been a penny in this couch. Now it's the next day because life happened, and picked my kids up from school and just never got back to this living room. So we lived in it between yesterday and today. So now I need to tidy up again before I can continue my deep clean. Now I'm just taking the, I don't know what that attachment is. Is it an upholstery attachment? Lampshade attachment? I don't know. The one with the little bristles. And just cleaning off the baseboards around the living room. And now lifting everything up off the floor so that I can just easily get behind everything and vacuum. I'm not going to move the couches because that's quite the investment, but I will move the chairs. And of course, I am untangling and winding all of the cords for all of the various electronics in the house. I do this at least once every 2 to 3 days. I need to find a better system, but I haven't done that yet. Let me know if you have any good systems in the comments below for organizing electronics and cords and charging stations and stuff like that, because the basket keeps it contained, but yeah, we need something better. So this is the first room out of a few that I'm going to deep clean in the next little while before I pull out some pumpkins and decorate for fall. So if you want to see more deep cleaning videos, don't forget to subscribe and click that little bell icon so that you get a notification when I put out my next video. Now I'm just putting everything back. I like having blankets on all of my chairs. I just think it makes it feel a lot cozier, and especially in the winter because I get cold really easy, so having a blanket on every chair works for me. And there we have it. It doesn't look a lot different than it did when I started, besides being tidier, but I can feel that it's cleaner because I know it's clean, and it just makes me sit back and go, ah. So I hope you like that, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.